Do you want to animate your still drawing? Like this. This video is for you. Watch the entire part of the video. Search Metademo Lab on Google and click on first link. Upload your photo. Crop the image. Make it separate by using an eraser. Use this tool to find character joints and place it properly by dragging. Your animation from the still drawing is ready. Download your file on your device. If you want to try the same picture or use it for your drawing, you can download this image of Kid Lakhe from the link given in the description. I hope you really like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.